This is how you do it, right? This is how it comes pre-packaged like this. You know, blank LP sleeve, pretty standard. You know, cardstock, a little bit of a spine, nothing printed on it. So normally they glue it. This is printed on it, you know. I would say that I'm probably gonna ruin the resale value of this highly collectible, very rare, low issue, limited edition, pressing, but you know, through many, I don't know, repeated listens, it's kind of a pain in the ass to pull out this record out of this Japanese style sleeve that comes from you know, it's pretty standard with radical documents. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue stick the cover to the cover. So this is how you do it. Yeah, it's blue. Shit. Did you know that's a crazy Doberman, Henry? Shit. It's a pocket change. Oh my god. You know, Keith Bodby is really good at this. You know the artist Keith Bodby? Yeah. He'll tell you all about this. He knows how to do this shit. He's been making collages like a motherfucker. Okay, alright. I don't know why I'm talking so quiet. Someone's asleep up in bed. Okay, hope I don't. Alright. Well, they say it dries clear, so the repositioning just might be. You know, it's really just to keep it from. You know, I really don't care if the corners are like coming off, because it's gonna be in the sleeve. I just don't want it to come off of the thing when I'm pulling out the thing, you know? So it doesn't have to be like, you know, like this part right here. See this part? I'm not so, you know, no, if this were not coming, you know, if this were not gonna go in the sleeve, I would like be like, okay, I'll just like a toe tag that. I'm just doing that for example. So as they say on most, I don't know, underground releases that where you have to flip aside, like for like the cassette format or the LP format, you know, same side, same material on the other side or whatever, okay? So, just free the LSD that you find in your bedroom after you spring clean, okay? And just feel free to like or do any kind of comment below. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, you know? See that? I'll put it on there. It's gonna really help me out with my listening experience, you know, because, you know, it's about, the listening experience is about unpackaging the media. So, Sochos.